replace the rear windshield wiper, rear window wiper on this 2013 Rav4. First you have here these little clips. Just get your hands in behind there, fingers in behind, flip that up. This comes along, and that gives you enough leverage to bring it straight up. Now you just tip this, just put a little pressure on it. It slides this way, allows you to bring it down and out. You have to wiggle it a little bit. So you gotta zoom in here. You can see where this latches in there. So you just wiggle it around a little bit. Comes out. And then there. Right back out. Now we'll put the new one on.
That side there.
Make sure we get the right side in place. And again, so this has little flat spots on it here. Kind of wiggle it in place. Snaps in there. That goes down. That clips back in place. So again, unclip. Just comes up a little bit. And then part way back and just wiggle it back and forth. Comes straight out. Again, when you look at it, you get a little, I guess, a little seam here. Make sure that's in towards the car. Wiggle it back in place. Latch, drop, lock, and you shouldn't have to force anything. Everything should just come somewhat naturally there.